Many have started adding ChatGPT or generative AI in their resume and LinkedIn profiles as one of the skills, right? So, what does that exactly mean? Like, how to become skilled at it, or how do you know you're skilled at it?
Yeah, I think knowing ChatGPT has become kind of a standard nowadays. Everyone, even including school students, know how to use it. Now, what candidates need to do, instead of saying that I know how to use ChatGPT, which is not a differentiator anymore, they have to talk about things that they've achieved at their workplace or at their project using ChatGPT or tools, any other AI tool for that matter. Now, in terms of how to know whether you're skilled, I think what people can do is they can spend time online by consuming as much content as possible with respect to applying AI in marketing, or AI in general. For example, they can listen to podcasts, they can subscribe to relevant newsletters to keep themselves updated, or attend webinars, for example, to understand what marketers are doing today with AI. That's what I also do. I listen to people, what people are talking about when it comes to application of AI, and that's how I stay updated. So marketers can learn from this, and they can choose to learn the skills that they are interested in, or that are that are the most relevant to their job. The free ways of using AI that I mentioned a few minutes back is more than enough for marketers to get skilled or get started with the journey of AI as a marketer.